Hey everyone! Welcome back to Comfy Homes, where we break down the facts behind your favorite foods and drinks. Today, we're popping the top on something many of us love but might not know much about: cola. Whether you're a casual sipper or a cola connoisseur, stick around because we're diving into the truths, the myths, and everything in between. Let's get into it. The origins of cola. Where it all began. Let's start with a little history lesson. Did you know that cola was originally invented as a medicinal tonic? That's right. Back in the late 19th century, cola was marketed as a remedy for ailments like headaches and fatigue. The original recipe even included coca leaves and cola nuts, which is where the name cola comes from. It wasn't long before people realized how delicious it was, and cola quickly became one of the world's most popular beverages. But as cola evolved from a health tonic to a sugary soft drink, its impact on our health started to raise a few eyebrows. Let's dig a little deeper into what's really inside that fizzy can. What's really in your cola? Ever wondered what's actually in your cola? The ingredients list might look simple, but there's a lot going on in that can. The main ingredients are carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup or sugar, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. Sounds pretty standard, right? But let's break it down. First off, let's talk about sugar. One can of cola contains about 39 grams of sugar. That's roughly 9 teaspoons. To put it in perspective, the American Heart Association recommends no more than 6 teaspoons of added sugar per day for women and 9 teaspoons for men. So, with just one can, you're already maxing out your daily sugar intake. Excess sugar can lead to a host of health issues, from weight gain to insulin resistance, which can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. And that's not all. Sugar can also be pretty harsh on your teeth, leading to cavities and other dental problems. The impact of phosphoric acid and caffeine. Next up, we have phosphoric acid. It's what gives cola that tangy bite and helps balance out the sweetness. But here's the kicker. Phosphoric acid can interfere with your body's ability to absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Over time, this can potentially lead to bone density issues, especially if you're not getting enough calcium from other sources. And let's not forget caffeine, the ingredient that gives cola its energizing kick. A can of cola contains about 35 milligrams of caffeine, which might not sound like much compared to a cup of coffee, but it can still affect your sleep, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine or drink it later in the day. Caffeine can increase your heart rate, cause jitteriness, and even lead to sleep disturbances if consumed in excess. So, while that fizzy boost might feel good in the moment, it's worth considering the longer-term effects. The environmental impact of cola production. But it's not just your health that's impacted by cola. There's also the environmental side to consider. The production and disposal of cola cans and plastic bottles contribute to pollution and environmental degradation. Did you know that billions of plastic bottles are produced every year, and many of them end up in landfills or, worse, our oceans? Plus, the production process itself requires a significant amount of water and energy, adding to the overall environmental footprint. So, while enjoying a cold cola might seem harmless, it's worth thinking about the bigger picture. Enjoying cola in moderation. Now, I'm not here to tell you to give up cola entirely. Let's be real, it's delicious. But like everything else in life, moderation is key. Enjoying a cola every now and then is fine, especially if you balance it out with plenty of water, a healthy diet, and regular exercise. So next time you crack open a can, remember to savor it and consider the impact it has on both your body and the planet. And hey, there are always alternatives if you're looking to cut back. Try sparkling water with a splash of juice for that fizzy fix. Cola is a classic, refreshing drink that's been loved for generations, but it's important to be aware of what's inside that can. From the sugar and caffeine to the environmental impact, there's a lot to consider. So, enjoy your cola, but do it mindfully and in moderation. After all, your health and the health of our planet are worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more eye-opening content and drop a comment below with your thoughts on cola. Love it or leave it. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.